Sometimes you will see some websites don't show the font properly. It's the font issue of this website. Recently I was visiting make.com and it has font issue in my browser. So how you can solve such websites? Just right click and go to inspect. Here you will scroll up and click on the body. You will click on the body. Then below you will see properties for body. You will see some lines, or sometimes you may see it's empty. Anyway, you just click here and in the new line cursor will appear. Here you will write font family, F-O-N-T, font family. Press enter. Here you can select any font. Here you can select any font. Just select the font and now it has solved. Now you can close the developer option and the font issue has been solved because you have selected a valid font that is supported by your browser. That is very simple trick and works like a charm. Anyway, uh, I want to draw attention of the make.com as a big brand, but they have font issue in some browsers. If you need AI and automation related business solutions, you can follow me and contact me.